Welcome to Saad Educare. From today I am starting a new season based on Cambridge Primary Mathematics Learners Book 3. Today I am trying to solve a getting started part and exercise 1 question 1. It's a very interesting chapter and you will learn lots of things from my channel, which is Saad Educare. If you think this video will help you, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Let's start. Getting started. Number 1, complete the 100 square pieces. Look, this is a review of Learner's Book 2. Can you remember last year you was solving numbers 200? So this is that table which is 10 by 10. So row 10 numbers, it means 1 to 10, 11 to 20, like this, and this is column where is also similar 10. So this is a 10 by 10 table. So we know right side, left side, 1 increase and decrease, ups and down, 10 increase and decrease. Like here is starting 46. So right it means 47, left it means 45, right? Similar 46 down 1 it means 56 and upper one it means 36. Check this one. Here is 46. Look, upper 36, lower 56, right 47, left 45. Similar 23. So left it means 22, 21, and here is 11 because upper is 10 decrease, lower 10 increase. So here is 22, it will be 32, and here is 42. So where is 22? Look, this is 22. So left 21, right 23, already mentioned, and 21 upper 11, then 22 down 32, down 42. Okay, now what about 77? Down it means 87, down it means 97, right it means 98, 99, and here is 100. Then upper it means 90, upper it means 80. Now let's check. Here is 77. Look, 87, 97, then 98, 99, 100, again 90, then 80. So I hope you clear this one. Now what about 52? Right it means 53, left it means 51, up it means 42, right, down it means 62. So what about in here? Look, this is 52. So 42, 53, 51, and down 62. I hope you clear this one. It's a very simple thing. This is a basic level. You know this one. I just try to review this one. So number 1, which is getting started, done. Next one. Mark 42 and 87 on the number line. So number line, here is start, we know from 0. Right side is a positive number, so here is 0 is a starting point and 100 is a ending point. And here is a difference 10. It means 0 to 100, sorry, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, etc., etc. Increase 10. But look, here is 0 and here is 10. So here is 5. Here is 1, here is 2, here is 3, here is 4, then etc., etc., etc. So we have to mark 42. So let's check in here. This is 40 and this is 50. Middle portion is a 45. So where is 42? 40, 41 and 42. This is 42. Okay. And how about 87? This is 80 and this is 90. In middle 85. So 87, it means 85, 86, 87. This is 87. So we can mark in here, like here is 42, this is 42, and here is 87, this is near 90. Okay, so this is done. Now it's the most important thing, level 2 and level 3 of primary section, round each number to the nearest 10. So look, this is 72, here is 70, and this is 72. So which is near, 80 or 70? It should 70. So here is 70. We can mark this one by another color. It means this is 70. 29, it's a near 30. 45, near what? 50. Okay, and 60 is around, near is 60. So it's a very interesting solution we did. So getting started, it's a review part. Now we will enter main theme of Learner's Book 3, which is exercise 1.1. Please note that this video I'm working for Learners 3. It means Learner's Book 3, exercise 1.1. Now look, here is mentioned, complete these pieces which are from 1 to 1000 number strip. Now it's a one thing, if 10 by 10, it means 100, right? 1 to 100. So what about 1000? It's not like that 100 times 100. If yes, so here is 1 2 3 4 5 6, it's 100. It's, I think it's looking too much big. Or we can consider, here is mentioned, complete these pieces which is from 1 to 1000, not mention square. Square means row and column will be equal. So we can consider in row 10 and column 100. Okay, then it will become 10 times 100 equals to 1000. So look, here is 32. Decrease mean what? 10 decrease. One thing, if our table is 100 by 100, so it will become decrease down, it means increase 100. So this is 232. Again here is 332. But talk with your teacher, the table is 100 by 100 or anything. Now look, 332, so here is 333, 334, 335, and upper it means 100 decrease. So here is 2 what? 35, and here is 135. Now it's similar, right? 132, 135. So look, here is 133, 134 and 135. It means the table is 100 by 100. It's a very simple thing. Okay, now what about 479? Here is 480 and left side 478. Here is 578. Here is 678, and here is 378, 278, right? And here is 480. Decrease means down means 100 increase. It means 580, and here is 680, and here is 380, and here 280. Okay, now look, here is blank, it means this is 279, and here is 280. Very simple. Now what about 256? So 256, here is 266, and here is 246, and here is 356, and here is 156, right? So here is 147, it means here is 146, and here is 145, and here is 245. Okay, so now summary: right equals to plus 1, left equals to minus 1, down plus 100, up minus 100. So what about 782? It means here is 783, and here is 781, here is 682, and here is what? 682, it means 882. So what do you think? Is it video become too long? If you think this, next video we will start exercise 1.1 question 2, where is mentioned complete the missing numbers. It's a very interesting class will become. So no more today. Please subscribe my channel, which is Sad Educare, and I hope this year you will learn lots of things from this video channel, and also I will learn lots of things from you. So don't stop your study, please continue, because hard working you will get lots of things. So another thing, please, I would like to request parents, don't pressurize your baby, because these kinds of math is not so hard, but baby need to study consistency, no need hurry. Okay, thank you very much, stay with me, next video will come tomorrow. Till then, take care. Allah.